Traditionally, there are two distinct styles of running your business processes. You can either have a rigid structure where you can draw the flow in advance, or you can have a completely unstructured environment where you have no control, like email. Completely unstructured, but also very uncontrolled. But how most people operate and how most people feel comfortable working is in a structured environment that allows them some flexibility when the need arises. We call it a hybrid system, and XMPro is the only system available that does that. See, with most operations today, whether it's investigating a new product, bringing on a new staff member, or onboarding a client, you need a system that lets you swap between a rigid process and an unstructured process at different points in the flow. For example, if you're looking to open a savings bank account, it's a very structured process. However, once you onboard a private wealth customer, you need the process to be unstructured, as you need to take into account the specific circumstances of that specific individual. You may want to call in the help of a specialist advisor to get advice on structuring a package that would suit the investment profile, some personal plans, and specific requests that that customer may have. Once you've done this, the process takes on a rigid form again, where you go through the formalities of signing a product contract and doing compliance checks. It then becomes unstructured again as you manage their ongoing relationship and support requests, and so on. You can see why one set of rules doesn't fit all processes. And it's the same for other complex situations. For example, we see this when ISO 9000 requirements impact a company's supplier or contractor onboarding. Structure needs to give way to flexibility at certain times, and it's allowed within a hybrid system. Put simply, with structured workflows, you are taking a guess at what's going to happen in future, and you're trying to predict the path of every new transaction. With hybrid systems, you are able to build the path as you walk it, still within a set of boundaries, but without needing to confirm in advance what route you're going to take. It gives you more autonomy, it utilizes intelligence, and mimics how people work in the real world.